Good morning, Internet. This is Alex the Sudokus, and it is Wednesday, the 7th of October 2020, and we are going to do a no pencil markings medium Sudoku today. So let's jump right in. So I got up a bit early today, so I'm able to do a few more Sudokus or spend more time on Sudokus. So I can see a 1 here already because of that one and these two ones. So 1 is in here, which means 1 goes here as well, and 1 goes here, and I'm left with 2 pairs of 1s. So that's a really friendly start. Got a pair of 2s here and a pair of 2s there, so that's a... Oh no, 1's up there and down here, so 2s. So are the 2s locked of anything else? I've got a pair of 2s there. So not much restrictions to speak of. Pair of 3s there. 3, 3. 4s. 4, 4. Okay, so 4s are locked in rows 7 and 9. So that means 4 has to be in this row, and it's in these 2 cells. In fact, I've got a quadruple here of 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 6, and 4, 5, 6, and 9. So I've got 5 and 9 here. So this is 4 and 6. No, it's not super useful actually. I've got 4s locked up there. So let's move on to 5s. 5s are also locked in these 2 cells. Wasn't something else locked? So these are 5s and 3s, which means there has to be a 2 now. Just to confirm, yep. 3 and 5, this is a 3-5 pair, so 2 can only go here, which means this must be a... What is it? 3, 5. What's missing? An 8. So that 8 unlocks an 8 up here because of the columns and the row being taken. So that's unlocking another 8 over here, which unlocks a further 8 over here, which unlocks a further 8, which unlocks the final 8. So that was a nice little chain there. And I think this 8 also breaks the 1 as well. So the 1 can now be placed here because of the rows and the column. So all the 1s and 8s are done. This is 5 and 3. Can I do anything with that? No. So I've got 5s locked in there. 5 over here, which unlocks this 5 and this 5 over here. So, got a pair of 5s over here, 5s over here. That's all the 5s. Okay. So what about 6s? Well, 6. I've only got 1. So 6 is a weak number, so this is looking quite promising cell to look at. I say that. I don't know. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So yep, that's a 2 actually. And chances are I could have spotted that 2 sooner if... Oh, maybe not actually. No, it's not super obvious that that's a 2. But now that's a 2 as well, because these 2s take up the columns and that one take up the row. So that's another 2. Is that another chain reaction that I'm seeing? So I'm left with 2s in these cells. Okay. So I've got a triple here of 4, 6, and 9. I've got 9 there. 6 can be anywhere on that row. So that leaves me 3, 4, 6, 9, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 7. Yep. So 2, 3, and 7. 2 can't go in this cell. No, I don't think I can do anything with that. So let's just jump onto 7s. Well, this has to be a 7 because 7 is in here. So in fact, I've got a triple here anyway. So this is 3, 7, 3, 6, and 7, which means that has to be a 9 then. And that 9 doesn't unlock anything for me, but isn't this a 2? No, it's not. Okay, so I've got a pair here, which would give me another pair, which... Oh, actually, let's just do this one. This has to be a 6. Does this 6 unlock anything for us? No. Oh yeah, because 6... We've only got 1 6. Well, 2 now. So that 6 tells me I have got a 3 and 9 pair, but again, can't resolve them just yet. So I'm guessing these are 3s and 9s, and these must be 4s and 6s. Well, 6 can't go here, so 4 and 6 are resolvable. So I've got a pair of 6s and 2s in here now, and this is a triple of 4. Well, actually 4 has to go here anyway. So 4 also has to go here because of this 4 and those 2 4s. Have I got another chain reaction going on here? 4 has to go here now and here, so all the 4s are done. So it seems to be quite a lot of chain reactions going on. This 4 locks a 6-9 pair here. Not super helpful just yet. Let's look at this. This is 3 and 9. Can't resolve them yet. So I think 9 is probably the key to unlocking this puzzle. 6 is out there. So, yeah, let's just move on to 7s. So 7 is locked in these 2 cells. These 2 cells. Not much going on up there. What about 8? 8s are all done. 9s. So 9 is locked in these 2 cells because of that. As a pointed pair, it locks a 9 up here. So that unlocks the 9 and 3, which means 3s are down here. Does that unlock any more 9s for me? These are 9s and 6s, which means this is a 3. So that unlocks another 3 over here, another 3 over there. 3 goes up here as well. So 3 over here, 3 over here. So that's all the 3s done. So these are 6s and 7s. Can't resolve them just yet. So these are 6, 7, and 2. Yep, 2 has to go here because 2 can't go in these 2 cells. 2 also goes here, so that's all the 2's done. And this is a no, not 5. This is 1, 2, 6. And if that's a 6, then that has to be a 6 as well. And I think that's all I can do with the 6s at the moment. But this has unlocked a 9 for me. So this 9 probably isn't going to do much, but I have a pointed pair of 9s here because of this 9 and that 9. So 9 goes here. So I'm left with the 9s in these positions. These are 7s and... hate it when you want to sneeze but can't. So this is a... what is it? It's a 5, isn't it? Yeah. So if that's a 5, this has to be a 5 as well. So that's all the 5s done. What are these? And these are 6s and 7s. I'm sure the 6 or 7 is going to unlock the puzzle, but I just can't see the killer. Oh, there's a 7. So with that being a 7, this has to be a 7 as well. And that has to be a 7. So I've got 7s locked in these cells. Surely that's a 6. So that unlocks a 6 over there. 6 over here, 6 over here. 9, 9, 9. So that must be a 7 and 7. And that's today's medium New York Times Sudoku with no pencil markings. Hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.